Welcome to the channel. I'm Malone. I get a lot of questions about posting drone footage to YouTube and what happens if your channel is monetized. So we're going to talk about that today. If this is your first time to the channel and you enjoy photography, drones, technology, and other related stuff, start off by hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. So I recently had a phone conversation with a representative from the FAA office in Little Rock, Arkansas. We discussed a number of things, but one of the things we discussed was posting videos to YouTube. If you're flying as a hobbyist only, everything that you post is just for fun, you're showing off your kids playing or some scenery that you wanted to let everyone else see, then you're okay with posting that footage to YouTube. Now keep in mind this, I had the FAA contact me a few years ago about some footage I posted because it was done in a way that appeared to be commercial use. I actually videoed a farmer harvesting some rice. You can see that video right here. The FAA actually considered that commercial use simply because I attached J. Malone films to the end of it. However, flying as a hobbyist, you can post the footage to YouTube. There's no problem in that. Make sure you're following the suggested recommendations of below 400 feet, in line of sight, that sort of thing. But now let's talk about if your channel is monetized and if you make any money off of YouTube. You might have a channel that is monetized. You might have a channel that is not. But if your channel has 1,000 subscribers or more, and you have at least 4,000 watch time hours within a 12-month span, then you can monetize your YouTube channel and make money from YouTube ads. Now, the money that you make off of YouTube ads is not a lot of money. I can promise you that. My channel is monetized and I do make some off of those videos, but not a lot. But honestly, that doesn't matter to the FAA. If you make anything at all, the FAA considers your channel a business, so therefore you're furthering your business by making any money off of the footage. And yes, the FAA representative told me that if you make any money off of YouTube, then you should have your remote pilot certificate and fly under Part 107 rules. Now I realize there's probably a lot of debate from other YouTube creators. There's a lot of content creators that are using drones in monetized videos that me and you really don't know whether they have the remote pilot certificate or not. Some of them, I kind of doubt it. For the record, the FAA representative told me that going after YouTube creators isn't their primary concern. But if you're monetized, then yes, they do actually consider that commercial use. Once again, this is all coming from a phone conversation I had with an FAA representative a few days ago, so I decided to share it with you. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless. Welcome to the channel. I think my light was too close. And that's a wrap.